The pinna, also known as the auricle, constitutes the visible, external portion of the human ear. It is primarily composed of cartilage, which provides its distinct shape and flexibility. The pinna features a unique structure of folds and curves, characteristic of its anatomy. These intricate cartilaginous formations are not merely aesthetic but serve a crucial function. Their specific shape is designed to efficiently collect sound waves from the surrounding environment. The collected sound waves are then funneled directly into the ear canal, initiating the hearing process. The external auditory canal is a vital component of the outer ear's anatomy. This tube extends from the pinna, the visible part of the ear, to the eardrum. Its primary function involves amplifying incoming sound frequencies. This amplification helps in the efficient transmission of sound to the inner ear. The canal also serves a protective role for the delicate middle ear structures. It shields against external damage and prevents pathogens from reaching deeper ear components. Sound waves are defined as fluctuations in air pressure, initiating the auditory process. These pressure variations enter the ear canal, the initial pathway for sound. As sound waves travel, their specific frequency is maintained. Simultaneously, the amplitude of these waves also remains constant. Both frequency and amplitude are crucial parameters for accurate sound perception. The eardrum, or tympanic membrane, is a crucial component of the middle ear anatomy. It is characterized as a thin, oval-shaped membrane. Its primary function is to separate the outer ear from the middle ear. Upon impact by sound waves, the eardrum vibrates due to pressure changes, transmitting sound. The eardrum, or tympanic membrane, is a crucial component of the auditory system. Its vibrations are directly influenced by the frequency and intensity of incoming sound waves. Higher sound frequencies cause the eardrum to vibrate at a faster rate. Conversely, louder sounds result in larger oscillations, or greater amplitude, of the eardrum's movement. The middle ear houses 3 tiny bones, collectively known as the ossicles. These bones are the malleus, hammer, incus, anvil, and stapes, stirrup. They are located beyond the eardrum, forming a crucial part of the auditory system. The ossicles function as a lever system, transmitting sound vibrations. This system connects the eardrum to the inner ear, amplifying sound signals. The process of hearing begins with vibrations from the eardrum. These vibrations are then transferred to the malleus, the first of the ossicles. From the malleus, the vibrations move to the incus, the middle ossicle. Finally, the vibrations reach the stapes, the innermost ossicle. This ossicular chain acts as a mechanical amplifier, increasing the force of the vibrations for effective sound transmission. The oval window is a membrane-covered opening that serves as the entrance to the inner ear. It acts as a crucial interface between the middle ear and the fluid-filled inner ear structures. The stapes, the smallest bone in the human body, is directly connected to this oval window. Vibrations from the stapes are transmitted through the oval window to the fluid within the inner ear. The cochlea is a vital snail-shaped organ located within the inner ear. It is filled with fluid, crucial for its role in the auditory system. Its primary function is to convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals. This process, known as mechanotransduction, enables sound perception. The cochlea contains fluid, specifically perilymph and endolymph, within its ducts. Vibrations from the oval window initiate pressure waves within this cochlear fluid. These pressure waves then propagate through the various ducts of the cochlea. This fluid movement is a crucial step in the process of sound transduction. The inner ear contains a crucial structure called the cochlea, vital for hearing. Within the cochlea, the basilar membrane extends along its entire length. This membrane is not uniform. Different regions possess distinct mechanical properties. These regions are specifically tuned to vibrate maximally in response to particular sound frequencies. This specialized vibration pattern allows the basilar membrane to act as a frequency analyzer. It effectively separates complex sounds into their individual frequency components, enabling pitch perception. The inner ear contains a crucial structure for hearing, the organ of Corti. This specialized sensory organ is located within the cochlea. It rests directly atop the basilar membrane, a key component of the cochlea. The organ of Corti is comprised of thousands of highly specialized sensory hair cells. These hair cells are the primary auditory receptors responsible for sound transduction. They convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals for the brain. Sound vibrations cause movement in the basilar membrane within the inner ear. This movement stimulates specialized hair cells located in the organ of Corti. The cilia, hair-like projections on these cells, then bend due to the stimulation. This bending action opens ion channels within the hair cell. The open ion channels generate electrical impulses, transmitting auditory signals to the brain. Neural signal generation begins with the mechanical bending of hair cell cilia. This mechanical stimulus initiates a process known as depolarization within the hair cell. Depolarization is a change in the cell's electrical potential, making it more positive. This electrical change triggers the release of neurotransmitters from the hair cell. These neurotransmitters then activate the adjacent auditory nerve fibers, transmitting the signal. The auditory nerve is a vital component of the human auditory system. It is a specific branch of the larger vestibulocochlear nerve. Its primary role is to collect electrical signals generated by hair cells within the inner ear. These electrical signals are not raw data. They are encoded with specific information. This encoded information includes details about the frequency and intensity of sounds. The auditory nerve then transmits these processed signals from the ear to the brain for interpretation. The process of hearing begins with the ear capturing sound waves from the environment. These sound waves are converted into electrical impulses within the inner ear. These electrical impulses then travel along the auditory nerve. The impulses are transmitted to various processing centers within the brain. A key destination is the auditory cortex, where complex neural patterns are received. Here, these patterns are interpreted as recognizable sounds, enabling auditory perception.